Do you want to know how I managed to earn $20,000 a month with just one blogging site, that is getassist.net? Well, in this video, I'm going to share all my secrets and some tips and tricks to help you reach your goal. I will also share the breakdown of my Google AdSense earnings along with some important proofs to make it more transparent for you. Also, a quick disclaimer that the proofs that I am going to show you are not at all fake or edited, and the reason I'm showing you the proofs is to make you believe that all the goals are actually achievable and to motivate you to start your blogging journey as well. So without wasting a minute more, let's get started with the video. Before I actually start, I'm going to give you a brief overview of the history of getassist.net, how it all started. So when I started with getassist.net, my only aim was to make money from Google AdSense without realizing that more opportunities are going to open up that I'm not aware of. But the most important thing is when I started, I never thought of monetizing my work for the first 6 months. My only aim was to get more traffic to my website, and I only worked for that for those 6 months. So that would be my first important tip for you. I have seen people who apply for Google AdSense approval just after making 2-3 posts on their website. But what I would recommend is to keep posting more and more content on your website, do search engine optimization, social media optimization, and also work on ways to get more traffic for your website. So when the first 6 months were over, I was able to achieve more than 1K traffic on my website, and then I applied for Google AdSense approval and got my site approved without any problem. Now, how I got my site approved so quickly? So first of all, I had a good amount of traffic. There was quality content on my website. That's why Google approved it really quick. So that's how I started earning from Google AdSense. Initially, it was just $4 to $5 a day, and gradually it increased to $10, $20, and today I'm able to earn more than $100 a day from Google AdSense, as I receive more than 3K traffic on my website. Sometimes it can be less than $100, but most of the time it is above $100, and with $100 per day, I'm able to earn approx $3,000 per month. So I just explained you one part of my Google AdSense earnings. Now moving on, when I started getting a lot of traffic on my website, I realized that I'm receiving a lot of emails on the email address that I have provided on my website. After seeing a lot of traffic on my website, people started approaching me for sponsored posts. Now, other way to earn good amount from blogging website is through sponsored post. If you have a high quality website, then people can pay you a good amount of money for sponsored links or posts on your website. Here is the email where you can clearly see a company that is ready to write for my website. So this took me by surprise, and I was happy at the same time that I got another opportunity to earn through my blogging site. Also, when I researched a bit more, I realized I can earn a good amount of money through sponsored posts. If you have a high quality website, then you can expect a lot of emails for the sponsored links and posts on your website. The only thing you have to keep in mind is that make sure you do not compromise with the quality of your website. For that, I have created some guidelines where I specified that I'm only going to accept quality products and posts so that it will not affect the quality of my website. So the quality of content is the most important thing that you need to focus on, and the second most important thing is to use sponsored tags for such posts as it is mentioned in Google guidelines. Apart from that, whenever you are accepting sponsored posts, make sure that it is related to the niche of your website, as if you are going to accept those content that are nowhere related to your website, that is going to lower down the quality of your website. Now moving on, the next part of my earnings come from my YouTube channel where you are watching this video right now. So when I created my blogging site, that is getassist.net, after some time I also created this YouTube channel for the sole purpose of branding. At that time I was not aware of the earning process from YouTube. But as soon as I completed 1K subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, I thought let's try monetizing my YouTube channel from Google AdSense, and then I applied for the approval, and as everything was fine, Google approved my YouTube channel really quick. So that's how I started earning from YouTube as well. Initially, it was just $4-5 per day, and now I'm getting $40 to $50 per day from YouTube, and sometimes it even goes to $60, and that makes it approx $2,000 per month from YouTube, which is the third part of my earning. So if I do a total of all the money that I'm making from my single blogging site, it totals to a really good amount in a month. Now, apart from all these earnings, there is one more popular way to earn some extra money that I haven't tried yet, but I'm gonna do it soon, and that is affiliate marketing, one of the major source of income for most of the bloggers. And if you are interested in knowing more about affiliate marketing, wait for my next video. Until then, you can leave all your queries, feedback and suggestions in the comment box down below. And I'm gonna wrap up this video now. Hit the subscribe button for more informative and useful videos. Thank you for watching.